Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering essentials: government ID, active new SIM, and the bank app logged in. First, open your bank app or prepare to visit a branch. You need to authenticate. Once done, initiate Change Mobile Number under Profile or request a change form at the counter. You must be ready to receive an OTP on either the old number or new SIM depending on your bank's flow. Make sure your MPIN/PIN and any KYC documents are at hand before proceeding. You now follow the verification steps. In-app, choose Update Mobile, enter the new number, and request OTP. If in branch, submit the signed form. You will receive an OTP either on the old number or the new SIM. Enter it promptly. The system validates ownership. For added security, the bank may trigger Aadhaar OTP or ask for biometric or ID verification, especially for accounts with higher limits. Once the OTP and any KYC checks pass, the bank queues the change for process. You finish by confirming the update and verifying notifications. The bank will send a confirmation SMS and show the change in your app. Save the reference ID. Once updated, perform a low-value transaction or trigger a balance SMS to confirm alerts reach the new number. If SMS or OTP does not arrive, check DND settings, SIM activation, and network, then call bank support with your reference ID. If problems persist, visit a branch with ID and the reference to resolve it quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.